Hello traders, this is a technical analysis video and a trade update for Bitcoin. In the previous video, the weekly trading plan, and later on Twitter and TradingView, I reiterated this area below 29,500 until the 50-day EMA as a possible reversal zone. Thankfully it worked out and Bitcoin touched the range low, dipped just a tiny bit below it and pushed back up again. But I must tell you, I think Bitcoin is having a hard time. Why? Excuse me. Let me show you on the 1 hour. I think that someone is running an algorithm with a sell order every time Bitcoin touches the 50-hour EMA. This is the 1 hour time frame, and you can see touch, rejection, touch, rejection, touch, rejection. Now it looks as if Bitcoin is trying to break out, and I cannot tell you yet if this breakout will be successful. What I would have wanted to see is a breakout and the touch of the 50 EMA as support and continuation up. However, we did not get a retest. Currently, Bitcoin is struggling with the same EMA, the 50 EMA. The 50 EMA is very important for Bitcoin. On the 4 hour time frame, you can see on the 4 hour time frame, it is trying to break above the 4 hour 50 EMA. Now, if Bitcoin breaks above the 4 hour 50 EMA, I will take it as a good sign. Again, what I would have liked to see is a retest and continuation up. But the whole area between 30,200 to the mid-range at 30,500 is resistance. I think that if we get above 30,500, the bears will become much weaker, and then we can go to the range high and maybe even more. But you must remember that next week we have the FOMC. So I'm just throwing it out there. Just imagine what happens if the rate decision will be to keep the rates as they are and not to increase rate. Everyone is expecting a rate hike. What do you think the market reaction will be if there will be no additional rate hike? And at least in my opinion, there is no justification for one more rate hike when the inflation rate year over year is 3% and the rate is at 5.25%. So I think personally that it's very probable that, counter to market expectations, we will not see a rate hike, and then Bitcoin can pump even to 33. But don't get into a trade based on expectations. Expectations is nice, it's good, but it's not a good practice for a trader. For a trader, what I would like to see is a test of the 1 hour 50 EMA as support, or a test of the 4 hour EMA as support and a continuation up. And this is a possible entry. This is a good practice. Getting in on a trade based on rate hike expectations is not smart. Okay, that's all I have for you on Bitcoin for today. Follow me on Twitter and TradingView because I'm posting frequent updates if you're interested. And I wish you all the best in trading and in life.